Do-it-yourself, Del. Gonna review another kind of a health fitness type bar. It's what they look like, and they are by BX RX Bar. BX Bar RX Bar. That's what they look like. 52 grams. You can see 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. Let's see what else we got here. On the saturated fat, on the fat is 12%, saturated fat 10%. That's a little high to suit me, but it's got zero cholesterol. That's on the plus side. We got 12 grams of protein. That's on the plus side, 21%. I'll call it a protein bar. And let's see, we got 4% of calcium, 10 each of potassium and iron, and that's 210 calories. So let's see what else. It's got 0 added sugar, 13 grams of sugar. It's got 12 grams of protein, as I stated. So let's open this thing up and see what it tastes like. Numbers are one thing, but you know what it tastes like is kind of a whole nother ballgame. Kind of sticky, gooey. I'm thinking this might be good for athletes because of what's in it. Sometimes you just don't have a chance to stop at a restaurant or something and eat, especially if you're running a marathon. You just got to kind of do with what the situation provides. So this is something you could use to while you're playing your favorite sport or whatever. I don't think this is manufactured for taste. It's more or less for those some of those finer rudiments that I just delineated. So it's definitely not an unfavorable delineation, and I think there's a lot of fine points about this product. Again, it's a little gooey, but that's a minor point when you figure it along with those other ideas about it. So I'd rate this up there. I'd definitely eat one because I'd use the product, especially since I can't find the original power bars anymore. I think this could sort of be a substitute under certain circumstances. So it's a usable, workable item. So thank you for your kind attention. And please subscribe and comment, thumb up, and share.
We got to do the Advent calendar too.
Okay. So we're on day 3 with the Advent calendar.
Yeah.
Okay. So here again, we're going to have to look. Or here, I see 3 is over here. Like I say, these things aren't in order, but this is day 3 of our calendar. Same kind of thing. It's got a a half moon kind of thing, which you can indent real easy. It's not a hard thing to do, and then you can pull off open the window, which also is not hard to do. Let's see what we got in here for today. Hope we got more of these same kind of thing we had on day 1. So I'll just open one up and try it again just to make sure it's the same thing. Oh, there we got one there. Let it get away. There it is. There it is. I don't detect any peanut butter taste on this one.
No.
So there's that. Day 3. Dell signing off.